Hi, my name is Kelly, and I'm the Mixing Production Manager at Quanix in Cambridge. And my role is to oversee the department for quality support and following the creed to make sure we can make the best butyl and silicone products for the spacer and Dura departments. As a woman in manufacturing, I have come across several obstacles. Definitely as a woman in manufacturing, you are in the minority as a person, and especially in a production manager role. But I feel like my skill set has been able to provide another outlet for the team to relate to. My personality is very inviting and encouraging, and I allow my team to think outside of the box to suggest ways to get better and improve. And if it doesn't work, we'll change it again. I definitely feel like Quanix is a company that is set apart, that cares about each individual employee, their family, your safety. I've never worked anywhere where safety has been at the forefront of their mission statement. I really believe in the creed as well, of continually improving your processes, treating others with respect, having open, honest communication, constantly working on yourself and your health, and then always doing the right thing. What it means to be included in part of that crew is that it really supports the principle that you spend more time at your job than you do at home sometimes. So you do feel cared for, just like the company cares for all of its employees, not only the employees, but the community as well. I love that our team can go outside these doors and help pack meals for the Salvation Army. We do mulching at local gardens and parks and have fun outside of here. And I'm proud that Quanix allows the employees to have that opportunity as well. I would give other women thinking about getting into manufacturing advice to say never give up and stand up for yourself. Always know that you have a seat at the table. I think sometimes as women you feel like disincluded and that you shouldn't be there and your opinion doesn't matter, but that's not true. I've never felt that way at Quanix. I've always felt heard, and there's so many opportunities for growth and leadership in manufacturing. You never know where Quanix is going to go, and I'm excited to see that.